Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to buy eSIM in Thailand. So guys, for this video I would recommend Maya Mobile. So first thing that you will do is simply go to maya.net, and from here on the homepage of Maya, just simply go ahead and go to the help over here, and after that just simply go to eSIM compatible phones. So from here you should be able to see all of the list of phones that are available for this eSIM. So from here you will have Apple, iOS, Android, and Windows. So this is all of the list. So make sure your phone is included over here. And once you have ensured that, just simply go to the travel eSIM over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the Thailand over here. And now from here, you should be able to see multiple plans. So you will have two options. You can either go for unlimited eSIMs or prepaid eSIM. So when we click on a prepaid eSIM, it will redirect us to the prepaid ones. And from here, you should have multiple options that you can choose from. And you will have here multiple days. So you can filter it out and it will just according to your filter. And now when we go to the top and we go for the unlimited eSIM, we should be able to see here their packages as well. And you should be able to see here the information on what comes with the package that you are trying to get. And now once you have selected your package, just simply click on buy now over here. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and provide the plan activation day. So it will be depending on you. And after that, just simply provide the plan length as well. So you will have here multiple options. And from here, just simply click on review and pay. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and register an account. Just simply provide your first name, last name, and email address and password, and also your phone number, and click on review and pay. So guys, once you have registered an account, it will redirect you over here. So from here, just simply provide a payment method. So you will have here three options. You can either go for credit or debit card, PayPal, and Google Pay. So if you are using PayPal or Google Pay, just simply log in into your account. And if you want to go for credit or debit card, this is all of the list of cards that are available to proceed. So from here, just simply provide the information of your debit card or credit card. And from here, you should be able to see the order summary. You should have here the total, the data allowance, the validity, and the starting date. So make sure you have the right information. And once you are done, just simply click on pay over here. And after that, guys, an email will be sent to you. And from there, you will have a guide on how to activate your eSIM. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.